Welcome to the very first video in this basic HTML tutorial series. This video is just an introduction where I like to give you a brief overview of everything we're going to learn in this series. But before that, I like to mention that this is a beginner series, so we are going to start everything from the very beginning. Therefore, you don't need to know anything beforehand to start this series. But it would be helpful if you know how to write something with a simple text editor and know how to download some software from the internet. Now that's out of the way, let's see what we are going to learn in this series. We are going to start this series by learning what is HTML and how does it work. After that, we are going to set up a proper working environment for authoring HTML and also learn how we can create an HTML document from scratch. Next, we will see how all the different tags and attributes work together to create a proper web page. And once you are familiar with the basic concept of HTML, then we can move into HTML5 specific syntax and symmetrics, and also see how we can use HTML from element to create input fields. So that's it for this introduction. I hope you are going to join me in this course, and if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.